Good morning, dear students. Now today I am going to start the activity 5. Let's see the examples how we multiply 3-digit or 4-digit number by a 3-digit number. is multiplied by 1, 2, 3, 123. Here the 3-digit number is multiplied by 3-digit number. How we multiply it? Now look at the board. First we write 408. Then put the multiplication sign here. Then below this we write this number 123. Now first a single digit here, that is 3. This digit is multiplied by all the digits. Because you know that if a number is multiplied by a single digit, then how we can multiply? The same process is there. So first we multiply this number by a single digit. That is 3 8s are 24. 4 and put 2 carry over here. Then again in cross we multiply it. First the same line we multiply it, then we cross it. 3 multiplied by 0, that is 0. And add 2 in that, then comes 2. Then 3 is multiplied by 4. We cross in this way. First this digit is multiplied by 1's place digit, then it goes to the 10's place digit, then it goes to the 100 place digit. So 3 is multiplied by 4, then 12 comes. And here is no carry over here, so here we write 12. Now the second number is multiplied by all this. Before we start multiply, put 1 cross B here over the below the 1's place digit. In place of cross you put the 0 also. यहाँ पे हम 0 भी लिख सकते हैं. Now we multiply. 2 is multiplied by 8. That is 2 8s are 16. 6 and put 1 carry over here. Then 2 multiplied by 0, that is 0, and add 1 in that is 1. Then 2 is multiplied by 4, that is 2 4s are 8. So we write here 8. Now the third digit is multiplied by all this number, so we put the 2 cross here. Students, here you should remember, when we multiply by a single digit, then no cross sign is there. But when we multiply by 2 digits, then 1 cross we put it here. And if we multiply by 3 digits, then the 2 cross you put it here. Okay. Now 1 is multiplied by 8, then here 8 comes. 1 is multiplied by 0, then 0 comes. 1 is multiplied by 4, then 4 comes. Then now we add all the 3 numbers. Now first 1's place digit we added 4, so here we write 4. Now the 10's place digit we added 6 plus 2, that is 8. Now the 100 place digits we added 8 plus 1, 9, 9 plus 2, 11. We write 1 and put carry 1 over here. Now 8 plus 1, 9, 9 plus 1, 10. You put 0 and, we write 0 here and put 1 carry over here. Then 4 plus 1, 5. In this way, we multiply a 3-digit number by a 3-digit number and we get 50184. This is your answer. Now student, we continue activity 5. Question number 1, multiply. Number A, 819 by 208. Here 3-digit number is multiplied by 3-digit number. First we write 819, then we arrange below that 208. Now first we multiply 8 by all the three numbers. So children, you should learn the tables by heart, because table is very important. If you learn the tables by heart, then you can do the sums very easily. Now here first 8 multiplied by 10. You tell the table of 8 9 times, that it 8 9s are 72, or you can do like that 9 8s are, that is also same 72. So write here 2 and put carry 7 here in tens place. Now 8 again in cross we multiply. 8 multiply by 1, that is 8, and add 7 in that is 15. We write 5 and put carry 1 over here on hundreds place. Now again 8 is multiplied by 8. 8 8s are 64, and add 1 carry in that is 65. We write 65 here in the first line. The number comes 6552. Now the next number we multiplied by all the three. We put here the cross sign below this number. Now we multiply 0 by 9, it gives 0, 0 by 1, it gives 0, and 0 is multiplied by 8, it gives 0. When any number is multiplied by 0, then it results be 0 always. Now the third number is multiplied by all this number, so here we put the 2 cross. In place of cross, we put the zeros also. Now here 2 is multiplied by 9, 18, 8, and put carry 1 over here. Then again 2 is multiplied by 1, that is 2, and add 1 carry in that 3 comes. Now 2 is multiplied by 8, then it comes 16. We write 16 here. Now all the three numbers we add it and put the sign of plus here. Now 2, we write it here 2. Here 5 plus 0, it gives 5. And here 5 plus 8, it gives 13. We write 3 and put carry 1 over here. Now 6 plus 3, that is 9, and add 1 carry in that is 10. We write 0 and put carry 1 over here. Then 6 plus 1, it gives 7, and here simply 1 we can write it. So our number comes 170352. This is your answer. In this way we product the 3-digit number by 3-digit number. Now the next sum we can see. Now the D part, 2936 by 198. How we multiply? Here the 4-digit number is multiplied by 3-digit number. We write the 4-digit number here, then we write the 3-digit here. Now we multiply by the single digit by all these numbers. 8 6 are 48. 8 and 4 carry over here. Now 8 3s are 24, plus 4 28 comes. 8 and then put 2 carry over here. Then 8 9s are 72, and put 2 carry and add 2 carry in that. 8 9s are 72, and add 2 carry in that is 74. 4 and put 7 carry over here. Again 8 is multiplied by 2, that is 16. 16 plus 7, it gives 23. Now in second line we put the cross sign here. Then again 9 is multiplied by 6, then 54 comes, 4, and put 5 carry over here. Then 9 3s are 27, plus add 5 in that, then it is 32. And write 2 here and put 3 carry over here. Then again 9 9s are 81, and add 3 in that 84 comes. 4 and put 8 carry over here. then 8 2s are 16, 16 plus 8, it gives 26. Then the third number is multiplied by all this. Now how we multiply? Here we put the 2 cross. Then 1 is multiplied by 6, here we write 6. Then 1 is multiplied by 3, here we write 3. 1 is multiplied by 9, then we write 9. 1 is multiplied by 2, then we write 2. Students, you remember the properties of multiplication. If any number is multiplied by 1, then we get the number itself. Now we add all the 3 numbers, that is 8, 8 plus 4, 12, 2, and put 1 carry over here. Then 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 6, 12, and add 1 carry in that is 13, 3, and add 1 carry over here. Then again 3 plus 4, 7, 7 plus 3, 10, and add 1 carry in that 11, 1, and put 1 carry over here. Then 6 plus 9, 15, 15 plus 2, 17, 17 plus 1, 18, 8, and put carry 1 over here. Then 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 1, 5. So our answer is 581328. This is your answer. In number name, we can read as 5,81,328. Now the next F part, you see 3217 by 173. Here we write 3217, then multiply by 173. The same method, process is same. Now 3 is multiplied by 7, 21 comes 1, and put carry over here 2. Then 3 multiplied by 1, that is 3, and add 2 in that 5 comes. Then 3 is multiplied by 2, then it gives 6. And 3 is multiplied by 3, it gives 9. And put cross here below this number. The next number 7 is multiplied by 7 first, that is 49, 9, and put carry over here 4. Then 7 ones are 7, plus add 4 in that. Then 11 comes 1, and put carry 1 over here. Then 7 2s are 14, 14 plus 1, 15, 5, and put 1 carry over here. Then 7 3s are 21, 21, and add 1 in that is 22. The next number is multiplied by all these numbers, so here we put the 2 cross. Then 1 is multiplied by 7, it gives 7. 1 is multiplied by 1, it gives 1. 1 is multiplied by 2, it gives 2. 1 is multiplied by 3, it gives 3. So we add all these 3 numbers and we get 556541. This is your answer. Now see the H part, 7134 by 76. Here the 4-digit number is multiplied by 2-digit number. First we arrange in this way, then we multiply by 6 to all this number. 6 4s are 24, 4, and put 2 carry over here. Then 6 3s are 18, 18 plus 2. 20, 0, and put 2 carry over here. 6 1s are 6 plus 2, 8 comes. Then 6 7s are 42, we write it because no carry over here. So we write 42 as it is. Now we put the cross below this number, then we multiply 4 7 4s are 28, 8, and put 2 carry over here. 7 3s are 21 plus 2, 21, 22, 23, 3, and put 2 carry over here. Then 7 1s are 7 plus add 2, 9, then 7 7s are 49. Now we add these 2 numbers, then comes 542184. The second question, find the product. Number A, 1732 is multiplied by 48. The 4-digit number is multiplied by 2-digit number. First we write in this way, in vertical columns we arrange it, then we multiply this number by 8. Tell the table of 8. First 2 times, 8 2s are 16, 6 and put carry 1 over here. Then 8 3s are 24 plus 1 25, 5 and 2 put carry over here. Then 8 7s are 56, 56 plus 2, 58. Write 8 and put 5 carry over here. Then 8 1s are 8 plus 5, 13. We write it. Now put the cross sign here. Again this number is multiplied by 4. We tell the table of 4. That 4 2s are 8. So we write here 8 first. Then 4 3s are 12. We write 2 and put 1 carry over here. Then 4 7s are 28 and add 1 carry in that is 29. 9 and put 2 carry over here. Then again 4 1s are 4 plus 2 6. Then we write here 6. Now we add these two numbers. Because here only the 2 digit, so we stop it here. If here is the 3 digit, then we put the 2 cross there and then we multiply by the 3rd digit to all the numbers. Isn't it? This is clear. Now we add 6. Here is 6 because 6 plus 0 that is 6. If any number add 0 in that, then we get the number itself. Okay, if 0 is added to any number, then we get the number itself by the property of multiplication. Now 5 plus 8 that is 13, 3 and put 1 carry over here. Then 8, 8 plus 2, 10, 10 plus 1 that is 11, 1 and put carry 1 over here. Then 9 plus 3, 12, 12 plus 1, 13. 3 and put carry 1 over here. Then 6 plus 1 7, 7 plus 1 8. So our answer is 83136. And in number name, how we read this? 83,136. Now the next D part, you can see 679 is multiplied by 234. The 3-digit number is multiplied by 3-digit number. How we can multiply? First we write in vertical columns. Now this number, this digit is multiplied by all these digits. So 4 is multiplied by 9. We tell the table of 4. How many times? 9 times. 4 9s are 36. We write 6 and put 3 carry over here. Then again 4 7s are 28. 28 plus 3 that is 31. We write 1 and put 3 over, carry over here. Now 4 6 are 24. 24 we add 3 in that, then comes 27. So we write here 27. So this number is multiplied by this number, the first line completed. Now then we put the cross sign here. The second number is multiplied by all these digits. So this digit 3 is multiplied by 9. 3 9s are 27. Again we tell the table of 3. How many times? 9 times. Then 3 9s are 27. We write 7 and put 2 carry over here. Then 3 7s are 21 and add 2 in that, 23. We write 3 and put 2 carry over here. Then 3 6 are 18. 18 add 2 in that, 20. Now the third number. So here we put the 2 cross here first. Now this digit is multiplied by 9. So tell the table of 2. How many times we multiply? 9 times. 2 9s are 18. So we write here 8 and put 1 carry over here. Again 2, the table of 2, how many times we tell? 7 times. 2 7s are 14 and add 1 carry in 14, that it comes 15. Write 5 and put 1 carry over here. Again the table of 2 tells 6 times, that is 2 6s are 12 and add 1 carry in that, then 13 comes. Now we add all the 3 numbers, that is 6, 7 plus 1 8, then 7 plus 3 10, 10 plus 8 18, 8 and put carry 1 over here. Then 5 plus 2 7, 7 plus 1 8, then 3 plus 2 5, then we write 1. So our answer is 1588886. And how we read in number name? That is 1,58,886. So students, the multiplication is very, very easy. Only you remember the method and the tables. That is important. Okay? Now, this is your homework. Solve question number 1, B and C. And in question number 2, also B and C part in your notebook.